Hi everyone, hi my young scientist. Hello, how are you? What's up? How are you, my dear students? की हाल चाल? यार, today we are going to start with a brand new topic, which is determinants. Chapter number 4 from your NCRT textbook. A very easy, a very small topic which we are going to cover in 3 lectures. ठीक है? Students, the plan is to cover this topic in just 3 days, where the first lecture, that is today, we are going to learn about what is a determinant and how do you expand the determinant. The second session plan, which will be day after tomorrow, in that session, we are going to learn about its applications like finding area of triangle. Yes, it can be used in finding area of triangle. Collinearity of points. These are the various applications, few out of the various. Then about what are minors and cofactors. So this is the session plan for the second lecture, and in the third and the last session of this topic we will learn what is adjoint and what is adjoint and inverse, right? Adjoint and inverse. So our main aim is basically to find the inverse of any matrix. ठीक है, अपना ये target है. In this chapter we have to learn what is inverse. So for inverse we will learn what is adjoint. For knowing what is adjoint, we need to know what is minors and cofactors. For knowing what are minors and cofactors, we need to learn the expansion. So everything is linked with each other, and that's how we are going to finish this topic super easy and super fast. You all need to stay tuned to learn the determinants chapter completely from the NCRT point of view. There are various topics which has been removed, like for example the properties. Now these properties were very helpful in solving big determinants, but it has been removed. So hence it means that you won't be getting any big determinants to solve. The determinants that you need to solve will be very easy. So lucky people. Another application, very important application of determinant was solving the system of linear equations, solving system of linear equations, है ना? Whenever you have more than one linear equation, for example a1x plus b2y equal to c1, a2x plus say b2y equal to c2, these are system of linear equations. Whenever you have more than one equation, ये दोनों equation आपको solve करना है, and you need to find the value of x and y. Determinants are really very helpful, very useful in solving such type of problems. ठीक है? So if you want to learn this topic completely from me, you need to join this Telegram channel. You need to join this Telegram group by using the description box link, by clicking on the link which is provided in your description box. Okay, let me just check once. Yeah. For those who are coming here for the first time, this is Varsha, your very own maths teacher, maths expert on Vedantu. I've finished my teaching and I've been teaching from many years to students like you from all different backgrounds. And I always start my lecture by a very positive note. यार आप सबको पता है क्या है वो? Yes, maths is love and love is NCRT. So let's crack this NCRT so that we both, you and me, get the maximum marks in our exams. And I'll help you, you'll help me. Remember that. Students, if you're if you want to learn more of it, if you want a personalized systematic approach towards your JEE or NEET aim, if you're aiming for this exams, 11th as well as 12th students, if you're aiming for such exams, online teaching is the way out in today's time, right? Everybody is looking for an online approach, online alternative. बट विच इज द बेस्ट वन दैट यू शुड गो फॉर? कहाँ पे आपके सारे प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाएंगे एंड यू वोंट बी messed up in between. If you want such a platform, Vedantu is here with a pro subscription at a very cheap rate for you, right? अगर आप कहीं और फंसना नहीं चाहते हो, आप ट्राई कर सकते हो 1 month subscription, 3 month subscription and 6 month subscription, wherein you will get so many benefits यार, uncountable benefits हैं. Benefits like you can have instant in class doubt solving. तुरंत के तुरंत आपके सारे डाउट सॉल्व होने वाले हैं. All the subjects will be covered in detail in your language preferred, like English or Hindi. Unlimited live classes going on every day from morning till night. You can attend and master your concepts with India's best teacher, with having 5+ more years of experience, right? Testing, assignments, continuous review and feedback. आपको छोटे छोटे courses भी मिलते हैं साथ में if you want them, right? तो इतने सारे benefits हैं. If you want a systematic approach, आपका जो कोर्स है 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, the price that you pay after discount would be 2294 for 1 month. 3 महीने के लिए इतनी अमाउंट और 6 महीने के लिए 9800 रफली. फॉर 6 months प्रेपरेशन यू आर जस्ट पेइंग 9800, यानी कि मान लो यार 10,000 रुपीज में आप 6 महीने की पढ़ाई करोगे. इफ यू कैलकुलेट इट कम्स आउट टू ₹54 पर डे. द 6 months पैक इज वेरी किफायती, सबसे ज़्यादा बढ़िया है बिकॉज यू विल बी सेविंग मैक्सिमम. आप कंपेयर कर सकते हो पर मंथ प्राइस. For 1 month, you will be paying around 2,300. For 3 months, you will be paying around 2,000. और यदि आप 6 महीने का लेते हो तो आप सिर्फ 1,600 रुपीज पे कर रहे हो. Can you see the difference? 2,300, 1,600. 700 rupees you are saving every month, right? So 54 rupees per day price. You are getting so many benefits. And if you want these benefits, you have to go to this site vdnt.in/ytpro and use the coupon code VTIPRO, Varsha Tiwari Pro. VTI Pro. If you use this coupon code, you will get the 15% discount immediately. Go to the site, select the course 11th, 12th, GE, whatever you want, and apply coupon code. Alright, now before I begin to this amazing session of determinants, give me a like, mark your presentee. Students, let's do it. Come on. चलो सब लोग शेयर करो फटाफट. Call your friends, tell them that we are starting with a new chapter. Varsha ma'am is going to teach us determinants, introduction and expansion today. Share it with your friends, share it, like, subscribe the channel if you don't want to miss any of the lectures. If you don't want to miss any of the lectures of determinants, subscribe so that you get notification by clicking on the bell icon. Everybody is like. Okay. Hi. So what is determinants, guys? Determinants is matrix. I assume that you have studied matrix before you studied determinants. If you haven't studied matrix, I would recommend go to the Vedantu NCERT channel playlist में जाओ. You will find the whole matrix chapter covered by me. ठीक है, तो पूरा का पूरा matrix chapter अच्छे से देख लो, फिर determinants करते हैं, right? And for everybody else, let's continue the topic. Determinants, like it had a major contribution by a scientist called Laplace. Laplace जो आपने शायद फिजिक्स में भी सुना होगा, Laplace equation. Laplace नाम के साइंटिस्ट मैथमेटिशियन ने इसमें काफ़ी अच्छा कंट्रीब्यूशन दिया था. It is being used in various branches, engineering, social science, economics, and the most important application मैंने बोला solving system of linear equations. ये बड़े बड़े लीनियर इक्वेशंस के सिस्टम को सॉल्व करने में हेल्प करता है डिटर्मिनेंट्स. एंड अनफॉर्चुनेटली दैट हैज़ बीन रिमूव फ्रॉम द सिलेबस. वी वोंट बी स्टडिंग दैट, बट या इफ आई गेट टाइम इन द एंड हम ज़रूर इसको सीखना पसंद करेंगे. ठीक है, तो डिटर्मिनेंट होता क्या है? जस्ट कीप वन थिंग इन माइंड. डिटर्मिनेंट मीन्स वैल्यू. इट्स अ वैल्यू, एक पर्टिकुलर वैल्यू होता है. सो टुडेज session is about introduction and expansion. What is a determinant? Every square matrix A of order n can be associated with a number called as determinant. Every square matrix can be associated with a number. That value is called as determinant. Now mention the word square very carefully. For determinant, the matrix has to be square. Without a square matrix, you cannot calculate the determinant. So make that point clear in your mind. It has to be a square matrix. First thing. So determinant, how is it written? There are different forms. It can be written as dit A. Some of the books write it as delta, as well as some of the books write it in the vertical bars. This is dit A. This is not mod A. Some of the students may read it as modulus A. Modulus has a different meaning. This is dit A. So either I'll be using dit A, delta, or this vertical bars A. All three mean the same. These are the notations. Now, only square matrices have determinants. For example, if I want to write dit A, it is put inside a vertical bars and the elements are A11, A12 and so on, A21 and so on. The order is n cross n, है ना? तो हमेशा number of rows and number of columns are equal. So what is order of a determinant? The order of a determinant is order 1, which means, oh my god, order 1 determinant is written like this. I'll just show you. Order 1 determinant, this is order 1. Example, ये देखिए, this is a determinant of order 1. 1 row, 1 column. What about order 2? For order 2 determinant, we will write 2 rows and 2 columns in it. 3, 2, 1, 9. It's a determinant of order 2. Order 3 determinant, similarly you will have 3 rows and 3 columns. It is a determinant of order 3. Unlike matrix जहाँ पे हम यहाँ पे ऐसे m cross n लिखते थे, determinant में no need to write like that m cross n. You simply mention order 1, 2 या 3, because 1 मतलब हम समझ जाएंगे 1 row 1 column, right? So this is order of a matrix. Now the next segment is learning how do we expand this determinants. Expansion पढ़ना है. Order 1 expansion is the simplest. What is determinant of order 1? Suppose A is a matrix having the element 4. This is a matrix A having the element 4. So what will be the determinant? It's written like this. Determinant A or dit A or delta is equal to, write the element inside the vertical bars and your answer is 4. Order 1 is the simplest. Suppose B is a matrix of having -5. So determinant B is going to be -5. Simple. Order 1 clear. Let's move to order 2. How do we calculate the determinant of matrix of order 2? Okay, so let's take an example. 1, 2, 9, 6. This is a matrix A. We need determinant A. Write it in the form of determinant. And how do we calculate? It's product of diagonal elements minus product of off diagonal elements. We all know what are diagonal and off diagonal elements, right? Product of diagonal 1 into 6. Product of off diagonal 9 into 2. Put a minus sign in between. It's 6 minus 18. Answer is -12. That's the determinant for order 2. Simple. Remember this. Product of diagonal minus product of off diagonal elements. Order 1 and order 2 were simple. Moving on to the next and the last segment, which is determinant of a matrix of order 3. See, this is a matrix having 3 rows, 3 columns. It's of order 3. इसको कैसे expand करें? So बच्चा लोग, there are total 6 ways to expand this determinant. How many ways? 6 ways. Which are they? Which are the 6 ways? You can either expand it along row 1, you can expand it along row 2, along row 3, column 1, column 2 and column 3. There are total 6 ways. इतने तरीके से आप एक determinant को expand कर सकते हो. क्या ये expansion से by all the ways will we get the same answer, ma'am? Yes, if you expand by any of the ways, the answer is going to be same. The answer is going to be same. कहीं पे भी expand करो. Now, I will teach you how to exactly expand. I will teach you to expand along row 1. एक expansion मैं बताऊंगी, बाकी के आप खुद समझ जाओगे, बाकी तो आप स्मार्ट हो, है ना? तो चले expansion की ओर. Let's do the expansion of order 3 determinant. Example. So let me take a nice example for you. Determinant A is equal to determinant 3, 6, 1, 9, 5, 4, 1, 2, 8. ठीक है, this is the random determinant of order 3 that I have taken. There are certain steps involved. Now I am directly showing you through an example ना. एग्जाम्पल के थ्रू सीखते हैं कि कैसे ये डिटरमिनेंट को एक्सपैंड करना है. सो स्टेप नंबर 1, फॉर एक्सपैंडिंग अलोंग रो 1 वी आर डूइंग एक्सपैंडिंग अलोंग रो 1 यानी कि R1. So everybody knows what is row 1. This is row 1, 3, 6, 1. These are the elements of row 1. If I am expanding along that row, step 1 is take the first element of that row, which is 3. Taken. Now delete that row and column. Whatever is that element, you need to hide या delete कर दो वो row और column. Once you delete that row and column containing 3, whatever is left, write it down. It's 5, 4, 2, 8. Done? किया? इतना किया? Take the first element of row 1, write it down, delete that row column, whatever is left, write it in the determinant. Next, in the same step, now you will be adding minus 1 raised to, what is the position of this element 3? It's 1, 1, it's first row, first column, so it's minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1, 3, and this. This is your step number 1. Let's move to step number 2. Step number 2 is, again, take the second element of the same row. See, we are expanding along row 1. So row 1 का first element हो गया. Similar way, you will take the second element of row 1, which is 6. Write it down. Hide that row and column. जहाँ पे भी 6 है, उस वाले row को, उस वाले column को delete कर दो. तो whatever is left, 9, 1, 4, 8. Write it down. Next, multiplied by minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2. Why 1 plus 2, ma'am? The position of this element 6 is first row and second column. देखिए, it's first row and second column. So 1 plus 2. Step number 3. The second last step. Now which element will you take? You will take the last element of row 1, which is 1. उस वाले रो और कॉलम को डिलीट मारो. 1 वाले रो को और कॉलम को डिलीट मारो. क्या बचता है यारो? 9, 5, 1, 2. Done. You will multiply it with minus 1 raised to 1 plus 3 because it's first row and third column. 1 plus 3. Done. यहाँ तक done. Okay, superb, amazing. Last step. The last step, step number 4 is add step number 1, 2 and 3. You have to now add all the 3 steps and that's your answer. So for adding the 3 steps, मैं इसको solve कर लेती हूँ यहाँ पे and then I will add. ठीक है? Let us solve this. Minus 1 raised to square. It's 1. Minus 1 square is 1. 3 into, we know to solve this 2 order 2 determinant, 5 into 8 minus 4 into 2, which is 3 into 8 5 is 40 minus 8, which is how much? 40 minus 8, 32. 32 into 3, 96. Done. Next, similar way में minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2, यानी minus 1 cube, which is minus, outside there is 6. Solve this determinant. 9 into 8 minus 4 into 1, which is minus 6 into 8 9 is 72 minus 4. 72 minus 4 कितना होता है यार? 68. 68 into 6 करना है. So it's 6 into 68 minus 408. Over here, minus 1 raised to 1 plus 3. So it's a even power. Answer is going to be 1. Bracket में 9 2s are 9 into 2. 9 into 2 minus 5 into 1. 18 minus 5. 1 into 18 minus 5. Answer is 13. So step number 4 says add all the steps 1, 2 and 3 ka answer. So it's 96 plus 13 minus 408. 96 plus 13 minus 408. The answer is minus 299. The answer comes out to be minus 299. That's the value of DIT A. The DIT A, bacha log, is minus 299 for this particular question. This is how we expand. Easy, all the 3 steps crystal clear in our head. Right, very good. Let's evaluate these 2 determinants. Now I'll give you a very nice tip बच्चा लोग to expand. क्या है वो tip? You should expand always in that row or column where you have maximum number of zeros. Where you have maximum number of zeros, वहाँ पे expand कर दो. ठीक है? Now in the first question I can see the maximum number of zeros is in row 2. So obviously I am going to expand it along row 2. In question number 2, there is no particular choice. मतलब zero है नहीं. So you can expand it along any row or column you wish. आप बताओ मैं वहाँ expand करूँगी. But let's do first question number 1. I am going to teach you how to expand it along row 2. The procedure is going to be exactly same. Just that instead of writing in 4 steps, I am writing it all together. Is that okay? Yes. So expanding along row 2. Expanding along row 2. What we will do, take the first element, very easy yaar. Hide that row and column, hide that row and column. Whatever is left, you should be writing it. Done. Next I said, you have to put minus 1 raised to I plus j. Whatever is the position of this 0. It is second row, first column. So minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1. Done. आगे चलते हैं. Take the second element of row 2, which is again 0. Very lucky. Minus 1 raised to, what is the position? Second row, second column. So it's 2 plus 2 in the power. After you delete this row and column of 0, I am left with, just check, 3 minus 2, 3, 0. Right? Yes. And lastly, take the third element of row 2, which says minus 1. And we know we have to multiply it with 3. I'm sorry, it's second row and third column. What is it, bacha log? It is second row and third column. So 2 plus 3 into minus 1. And after deleting that row and column of minus 1 वाला row column delete मार के हमें मिलता है 3 minus 1, 3 minus 5. We need to simply solve this and get the answer. Can you see, the first term is 0, the second term is 0. So 0, 0. That's why I said you need to expand it along row 2 because the calculation becomes very easy. Lastly, minus 1 raised to 2 plus 3, 5. Whenever it's odd power, this will give me minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 is there outside. Internally, product of diagonal elements minus product of off diagonal elements. Answer is minus 15 plus 3 यानी कि minus 12 is the solution of your first determinant. You may expand it along column 1. You will still get the same answer. Cool. Okay. Shall we do the next question, the B one? Let me do the B question. अब बोलो आप कहाँ पे expand करना है? बोलिए. आप एक column वाला लेते हैं ना, हमने 2 rows के along किया. Now let's expand it along one of the columns. Shall I do it along column 2? Okay. Along column 2. Expanding along column 2. Keeping the same steps in mind, take the first element of column 2, which is minus 4. ले लिया boss. Now delete that row and column. उस row और column को delete करो जहाँ पे minus 4 है. So it's 1, minus 2, 2, 1. Done. We also add minus 1 raised to, what is the position? It's first row and second column. So minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2. Done. The first step is done. second step, take the second element of column 2. We are expanding along column 2, तो 1 है second element. हाइड दैट रो एंड कॉलम, 1 वाला रो 1 वाला कॉलम छुपा दो, डिलीट कर दो. 3 5 2 1 is left. We also multiplied with minus 1 raised to what is the position? 2 plus 2. Done. Second step done. Last element of column 2 is 3. Hide that row and column, delete that row and column. We get 3 5. We get 3 5 1 minus 2. And we do not forget to mention, to multiply it with minus 1 raised to what's the position? It's third row, second column. And 3 steps are over. I have already written them together. So fourth step भी हो गया. अब आपका काम है simply इसको solve करना. See, whenever the summation, whenever the addition in powers is odd, 1 plus 2 is odd. So this will give me minus 1 raised to 3, which is minus 1. Minus 1 into plus 1 is 4. Solve this determinant of order 2, 1 plus 4, right? Wonderful. Minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 यानी even number 4, तो minus will become plus. We have 1 outside, 3 minus 5 2s are 10. Minus 1 raised to 3 plus 2, it's odd, तो negative sign. 3 is outside, 3 2s are minus 6 plus, oh my god, not plus but minus. 3 2s are 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5. अब इसने solve करना है. So it's 4 plus 1 5. 4 into 5. चलो one more step, I'll write it for you. 3 minus 10 minus 7 minus 3 into minus 11. What's the answer, guys? 4 5s are 20 minus 7 plus 33. 20 minus 7 is 13. 13 plus 33. 46. 46 is the answer for second determinant. Check out, check out, check out. किधर है यार? Yes, first determinant is minus 12. Minus 12, 46. क्या बात, आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है? आ रहा है. चलो, let's take one more question and solve. The given matrix, find the given determinant, find the value of x. Left determinant is given to you, right determinant is given to you. You need to solve and find the value of x. चलो, left वाला solve करने आता है. It's 2 into 1 minus 4 into 5. Solve the right one. It's 2x into x minus 4 into 6. 2 ones are 2 minus 4 5s are 20. 2 minus 20 minus 18. 2x into x is 2x square minus 4 6 are 24. Solve करो यार ये equation को. So what do we get बच्चा लोग? 2x square equal to minus 18 plus 24 is 6. X square is equal to 2 3s are 6. X is equal to plus or minus root 3. That's the answer. That's the procedure for finding the value of x. Is that clear for question 1? Can you solve it in a similar way for question 2 for me? Same तरीका है boss, same तरीका है. Left side को expand करो, right side को expand करो, equate करो because they are equal and you will get the answer. Cx is plus minus root 3. Bingo, bingo. टाक 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 टाक. समझ में आ रहा है तो like करते जाइए, share करते जाइए, subscribe भी कर दो अगर आपको पसंद आ रहा है. Last question, my dear students. If A is a skew symmetric matrix of order 3, then prove that det A is 0. अच्छा, they have not mentioned anything about matrix or determinant A. वो बोल रहे कि भाई A is a skew symmetric matrix. Let's take any skew symmetric matrix of order 3. We have studied in the previous chapter. मैंने बहुत बारी highlight करा था. Skew symmetric matrix means the diagonal elements are 0. That is one thing. The other thing is aij is equal to minus aji. याद है, बिल्कुल याद होगा. So let's take any, if it is A, here it should be minus A. If this is B, if this is, let me write it थोड़ा अच्छे से ताकि आप भी confuse ना हो और मैं भी confuse ना हूँ. हम इसको बढ़िया तरीके से लिखेंगे ऐसे. ठीक है, तो diagonal elements को I'll put 0 Now I said ये A है तो this should be minus A. If this is B, it should be minus B, and this is C, it should be minus C. This forms the skew symmetric matrix. Check the corresponding elements यार. बच्चों देख लो, A12 A21 A12 A21 माइनस साइन का फर्क है, A13 A31 माइनस साइन का फर्क है, A23 A32 माइनस साइन का फर्क है. So this is the skew symmetric matrix. We want to show that its determinant is 0. Let's check. Let's write the determinant of this. 0 minus A minus B, A 0 minus C, B C and 0. This is determinant. अच्छा, I have told you expand along any row or column where you have maximum zeros. तो अब you can expand it along anywhere you wish. कहाँ पे करें, कहाँ पे करें, कहाँ पे करें? Let's expand along row 1. बिकॉज दैट्स द इजीएस्ट ना. चलो रो 1 के लॉन्ग एक्सपैंड करते हैं इसको. क्या बोलते हो, यहाँ ऊपर लिख रहे हैं. सो टेक द फर्स्ट एलिमेंट विच इज 0. तो 0 को आप किससे भी मल्टीप्लाई करो, आंसर इज गोइंग टू बी 0. तो आई एम नॉट पुटिंग एनीथिंग आफ्टर 0. सेकेंड एलिमेंट क्या है, A. Immediately write minus 1 raised to. What is the position of A? Its first row and second column. So I'll put 1 plus 2. Done. Delete the row and column containing A. A और contain करने वाला row और column delete करो. What is left, my dear child? Minus A, C, minus B and 0. Am I right? Am I right? बिल्कुल सही है मैम. Next. Next. Take the third element of row 1 because we are expanding along row 1. Take the third element which is B. Immediately write its position. Minus 1 raised to 1 plus 3. First row, third column. And also write the determinant. It will be very easy. एक बार आपका हाथ बैठ गया ना यार, ये मैं बार बार ही एक्सप्लेन करके लिख रही हूँ, आप यूं मस्के की तरह करने वाले हो. मैं बता रही हूँ. ये B को हाइड कर दो, डिलीट कर दो वो रो कॉलम. व्हाट इज लेफ्ट? इट्स माइनस A 0, माइनस B एंड माइनस C. चलो, द फर्स्ट टर्म इज एनीवेज 0, तो 0. माइनस 1 क्यूब, तो माइनस साइन मिल जाएगा यहाँ पे, राइट. ऑड नंबर है पावर में तो इट्स माइनस. सॉल्व द इनसाइड. माइनस A इंटू 0 0, माइनस B इंटू C इज माइनस BC. विद अ माइनस साइन इट गेट्स प्लस BC. ठीक है. माइनस 1 रेज टू द पावर 1 प्लस 3. इवन नंबर है सो पॉजिटिव. इन द ब्रैकेट माइनस AC, माइनस A इंटू माइनस C इज AC माइनस 0. क्या मिलता है? इट्स माइनस ABC प्लस ABC. 0 0. We prove determinant A is equal to 0 whenever it's a skew symmetric matrix. याद कर लो, it's a property. Skew symmetric matrix determinant is going to be 0. क्या है? Determinant A is going to be 0 if it's a skew symmetric matrix. Am I clear? Are you understanding? Hence prove. So what did we learn today, my dear students? Introduction and expansion. I hope you will remember the expansion of order 1, order 2 and order 3, the most important. We have solved various types. हमने row 1 के along expand किया, row 2 के along किया, column 2 के along किया. You will try it along different other rows and columns. row 3 के along करके देखो, column 1 के column 3 के along करके देखो. Answers are going to be the same. And do not forget यार, ये expand करके आप बताइए, prove करिए. Try it on your own. This is your homework question. Expand and prove that the determinant value is equal to 0 0. And my dear students, again I will not repeat everything, but हाँ आपको पता है कि आप अगर JEE NEET सब्सक्रिप्शन लेना चाहते हैं और आप इसके बारे में डिटेल्स जानना चाहते, तो राइट इन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द लेक्चर आई हैव told you everything about the subscription, 1 month, 6 months, all the personalized attention using the coupon code VTI Pro. Very important. आप जब भी जा रहे हो, जब भी सब्सक्रिप्शन ले रहे हो, if you want this 15% discount, use the coupon code VTI Pro for the Pro subscriptions and join our Telegram group using the link provided in your description box for all the assignments, polls, regular interactions, सारा कुछ आपको PDF सेशंस का नोट्स सब मिल जाएगा यार वहाँ पे, आपको पता चल जाएगा व्हेन आई एम कमिंग लाइव. You can like the video if you have enjoyed the lecture, because I have enjoyed teaching you. I always do. तो आप भी हमेशा लाइक करते रहिए, अपने दोस्तों को बताइए, शेयर जरूर करना यार, तभी तो लोगों को भी हेल्प होगा. एंड press the bell icon if you want that all the updates should be reach to you on time, and subscribe the channel. Do not forget to subscribe the channel, most important. We will be meeting every Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday. TTS sharp at 4 p.m. We will meet sharp at 4 p.m. We will continue with the determinants in the next session. As I said, हम area of triangles, collinearity, minors, cofactors, ये सब कुछ पढ़ने वाले हैं next class में. So see you all in the next session. Till then, oi hoy, keep smiling, keep learning, #learning, जिंदाबाद. मिलते हैं अगले लेक्चर में. बाय बाय.